Good evening everyone. So today we are going to use Jupyter Notebook on our PC and we are here to see how to install it. So I am assuming here that you have installed Python on your PC. In our previous video at Finessefleet YouTube channel, you can visit and you can access the link through group. Okay. So firstly, we have to check whether a pip command is valid or not in our PC. Pip command is Python installer package. Okay, so we have to set environment variable if it is not valid. For example, I am going to type here cmd and then I am going to type here pip and then enter. If the pip, this command has shown so many instructions or options, if it does not show in your PC and it shows a type error or it shows an error that pip is not recognized as internal command, so you have to set environment variables in this case. Okay, so let's see how to set environment variable in this case. So firstly you have to open file explorer and then go to that folder, go to the Python folder in the drive where you have installed it. So for example, if you install in C drive, the Python folder will be available here. In my case, I have installed it in D drive and you can see here is Python folder. And then opening it, open the script folder and copy the path of this directory. Now go to search option and search here environment variables. At the top you can see, and here you can see that there is a option path. You have to click on it, double click on it, and you have to make a new path, new, and then paste the path you have copied and then OK. Move it up so that it can detect fastly and OK. And similarly you have to do the same thing with second box. Okay, you have to click on path and then add it in the same way and then press OK. Now let's see how to install Jupyter Lab on our PC. Now cmd run as administrator. Okay, so my dear friends, look, if you want to install in C drive, so go for it and type a command pip install Jupyter Lab, and after pressing enter it will install some files on your PC that will include Jupyter Lab. Okay, but in my case I am going to install it in other drive, so I am going to install it in C H drive and here I will type pip install Jupyter Lab. Okay, so here you will see that requirements already satisfied. It is showing with this because I already installed it. I already installed it, so it is showing these type of instructions. Now it's time to check whether it is installed or not. So to do so, we will check the version of Jupyter. So here I will type Jupyter double hyphen m double hyphen version. So you can see there. Here are some versions of Jupyter. Actually, it takes a little time to load it. Okay, you can see these are the versions of Jupyter. Now it's time to see the overview of our Jupyter lab. Okay, are you excited? So let's do. Type a command. Look, there is a latest command or updated command. If you type Jupyter lab, then it will open the Jupyter in your browser. Look, here you will see some options to select your browser or VS Code or other options from Microsoft Office, Windows, Microsoft Office Store. So if you want to open it in VS Code, then you can go with it, and if you want to open it with your Chrome browser or other browser, you can go with it. I am going to use it the Chrome browser. Okay, so Jupyter Lab, I will type the command here Jupyter Lab. Also you can type the command Python -m and then Jupyter Lab. You can type this command also. I am showing here. You can type this command also, but updated command is Jupyter Lab, Jupyter Space Lab. If you type this, then your Jupyter Lab will open. Look how it is working. Here you are seeing that these are the some instructions, and here the Jupyter Lab is opening. Okay, so this is the interface of our Jupyter Lab, and in this case I will press on Python 3 API kernel, this one, topmost one. Okay, so I am going to press it. Now you can see here is the uh, type, here is the workplace, or here is the terminal where we are using our code, where we are typing our code. So I am going to type here for print I have installed Jupyter Lab, Jupyter Lab on my PC, and then what is it? What? Oh, I did not run it. So look, here you can see I have installed Jupyter Lab on my PC. You can see here. You can see. Okay. So this is the beauty of this Jupyter notebook. So thank you guys. Hope so. Hope so. You all have understood the process of installing this Jupyter Lab. And if you face any problem, you can ask in chat box. Thank you.